Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and this pink bag means that it's Ipsy time. Yay! Ooh, there's a big box of something in here. So for those of you that may not be familiar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription, and it's $10, and you get a bag and 5 samples every month sent to you in the mail, and it's super cute. Look at this. I love this bag. I love the gray, and it says gold Ipsy right there. Pretty pink accents. Very nice. Ooh, this smells amazing. Something in there smells really good. New year, more products, more focus on you. So, and it says, we've got big changes coming your way. Here's a sneak peek of what 2019 has in store. Fab new features, pick your passion. You can add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag each month with add-ons, and score new fab full-size steals with Glam Bag Plus. New ways to personalize your picks, more beauty brands you love, and insider tips and techniques. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so the first thing I see is Nomad Stockholm Midnight Sun. It is illuminating highlighter powder. And let's see what this looks like. So it's just a little bitty, really cute. And it's a highlighter. Very nice. Very pretty. I think that's really cute. And fluid elsewhere. It looks like it's lip gloss, but I'm not really sure. It says not for resale. I think it's lip gloss. Yes, I'm sure it is. It's a little bit sticky, but it feels good. Not bad. And actually now it's not sticky. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like it. So next I have some Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the color Medium Sand. And this is a sample, not for resale, but that's the way they send them. So this could be a nice travel size. Yeah, I think that's very nice. And it's Tarte. I'd like to try it, so that's good. Sorry, I didn't put away my things and they were causing an issue. I think this might be what it smells. This is nail liqueur? Maybe not. What is it that smells? Pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. The inside of this bag. I thought there was going to be lotion. What is this? Oh, this is a mask. I'm not going to open that, but 8 Super Orange Essence. So let's see this. This is nail liqueur Color B, the future of color, and it looks like the color name is Williamsburg. Oh man, look at that. Very glittery. Ooh, that smells like nail polish, and I just took a big sniff. I don't know what it is that smells good in this bag. Maybe it's just the bag itself. I'm really kind of liking this color. I love all the glitter. Very nice. So I am liking my package this week, or this month. It's very nice. I got some beautiful nail polish, a face mask, some Tarte foundation, some nice lip gloss, and some highlighting powder. So all in all, I'd say I struck gold, especially for 10 bucks. Yay me. But I hope you guys check them out if you're interested. Even the bag is fun, I think. I like to get them. Now you do kind of stock up on them, so you know, find other uses for them, give them away, whatever, but it's fun. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.